Today, boys and girls, we'll be reading Big Chickens by Leslie Helikowski, illustrated by Henry Cole, read to you today by Mr. and Mrs. Cobb. One day, four big chickens peeked out the coop window and saw a wolf sneak into the farmyard. The chickens plucked, flocked, and rocked. They knocked into themselves and into each other, until one by one they tumbled out of the coop. The door slammed shut, and the chickens ran into the woods to hide. After a while, it became very quiet.
"I'm afraid to go home," said one chicken. "Oh,"
said the others.
"Me too. Me three. Me four."
So four cautious, careful, cowardly chickens walked deeper into the woods until they came to a deep ditch.
"I'm afraid to jump,"
said one chicken.
"Oh,"
said the others.
"Me too. Me three. Me four. What if we can't jump that far? What if we fall in the ditch? What if we get sucked in the mud?"
The chickens tutted, putted, and flooded. They butted into themselves and into each other until one by one they fell in the ditch. The chickens landed smack into the mud. Feet flew out from under and bottoms flipped over. Bodies plucked up and mud sucked down. Legs sank in, necks stretched out until their chicken feet grabbed some roots and they pulled themselves out of the ditch. Four dirty chickens came to a cow pasture.
"I'm afraid of cows,"
said one chicken.
"Oh,"
said the others.
"Me too. Me three. Me four. But what if the cows chase us? What if they get poked with their horns? What if we step in a cow patty?"
Ew. The chickens squeaked, squirmed, and squealed. They squawked at themselves and at each other until one by one they bumped into the cows. The chickens ran, and the cows chased. The cows stomped down. The chickens fluttered up. Horns dipped under and legs leapt over. Tongues hung out. Feet squished in until their chicken wings flapped and they flopped over the fence to the other side. Four dusty chickens came to a lake.
"I'm afraid of the water,"
said one chicken.
"Oh,"
said the others.
"Me too. Me three. Me four. What if the boat sinks? What if we fall in the lake? What if we hit an iceberg?"
The chickens sputtered, shuddered, muttered. They fluttered into themselves and into each other until the boat tipped, and one by one they fell out. The chickens landed in the lake with a splash. The boat went down. Their toes pointed up. Heads bobbled under the water, and waves swept over. Beneath, breath sucked in. Water squirted out until they grabbed onto a log, and their chicken legs kicked all the way to shore. Four drippy chickens spied a cave.
"I'm afraid of caves,"
said one chicken.
"Oh,"
said the others.
"Me too. Me three. Me four. What if we can't see in there? What if we wake up some bats? What if we fall into a bottomless pit?"
Four chickens flurried, hurried, and worried. They scurried into themselves and into each other until one by one they stumbled into the cave. The chickens bumped into walls. Rocks rolled over. Toes crunched under. Bats flew down, and the chickens swatted up. Dark closed in. Eyes bulged out until the chicken ears heard a noise in the back of the cave. chickens, 4 dazed chickens, listened to a long, low growl.
I'm afraid of growls.
Said one chicken.
Oh,
Said the others.
me too. Me three. Me four. What if it's a big animal? What if it's a big, hairy animal? What if it's a big, hairy chicken chopping animal?
Something crawled from the back of the cave. It was big. It was hairy. It looked at the chickens and licked its lips. It's a wolf! The chickens blinked and pucked and poked. They ruffled and puffled and shuffled. They shrieked, they squeaked, and they freaked until the wolf ran out of the cave. Their chicken hearts soared.
I'm a big, brave chicken.
Said one chicken.
Oh,
Said the others.
me two. Me three. Me four. We have chicken power. We have chicken brains. We have chicken guts. Yes,
They all agreed.
we are very big chickens.
4 dirty, dusty, drippy, dazed, and daring chickens strutted all the way home. The end.